Today, a digital business looks like that whatever you interact is based on digital channels, you create data, and you are using digital media. Our priorities is, like Boehringer Ingelheim has as a priority, to serve mankind, to improve the health of human beings as well as animals. That is our top priority, and for that we are developing digital products to exactly achieve that. We are currently working on a digital product where we want to bring the study for clinical trials to the patient and not bringing the patient to the study. And we want to interact here very digital, and that's one of our examples we have. So first, we want to disrupt that market. We do not want to be disrupted. A big journey starts with the first step, and for that first step we took the measure BIX. BIX is our digital lab at Boehringer Ingelheim, and that is one of the tools how we want to disrupt the market. Besides that, we have a lot of other initiatives where we've gone to disrupt that market, and the most important thing for being a disruptive factor in an organization are the people. And that's why we are hiring new people, we are bringing in a new culture, and that will help us to disrupt the market. The board was involved in the whole development of our digital strategy from day one. Actually, they were the drivers to develop a digital strategy. They are part of the digital prioritization steering committee, and they are even operationally involved day by day. Ms. Menne, our CFO, was vital for setting up our digital lab BIX, and she is pushing also for disruptive ideas. Though we do not need to ensure it, it's happened by itself. We have a clear defined process how we want to develop the products, only driven by the requirements of the business. They are fully involved in the day-by-day work from the business side, and we put them as product masters into our initiatives. We interact on all demands with the board, and they own all the digital initiatives. It's not owned by the BIX Digital Lab, it's not owned by the people who work on the initiatives, it's owned by our business. And that's why we are fully interconnected to our business. The challenge is that you get all the people convinced that what we change is the new way of working. Using digital media, using digital channels, that is not normal in the current pharma environment, but it's the future. And to convince them to move that change, the leadership have to take the responsibility and to bring that into our culture. If you ask the CIO what is the infrastructure, he needs to bring at the first point the technology. Unfortunately, in the whole digitalization, to bring it to a global scope, it's not about the technology. It's about the culture, it's about the people, it's about the transformational approach. So the difference is done by the people and their skills and the methodologies they are applying to the initiatives and to their ideas. The technology is not the hindering factor. If you look in our digital lab, we implemented the typical topics you need to run a successful initiative. We have front-end designers, we have UX designers, we have back-end designers, we have customer journey designers, customers like healthcare providers, also patients. We consider in our initiative patients as our customers. And we are bringing in the typical Scrum Master methodologies, and that is what we implemented in the last 12 months. We here at Boehringer Ingelheim, with a 50,000 employee company, almost in every country, with present in almost in every country, we are used to roll out big systems, we are used to roll out big platforms. And that's why it's so important that a new team based in BIX is working and collaborating from day one with the existing teams. Because we can later on, after the pilot phase, which is developed by the BIX team, here use the environment, use our knowledge to roll it out to whole Boehringer. Customer experience is one of the central design criteria in digital products. That's why we are involving from day one our customers, our patients, our pet owners in designing our new digital products. If you are going in initiatives on products which go beyond the pill, the non-pill related products development, you need to interact with your consumer from day one. They are part of our initiatives. We involve them in the whole app design, we involve them in the whole workflow design, and that's why the team is interacting from day one, not only with Boehringer employees, they are interacting with real customers. In our pilots, in our pilot testing, real customers are part of the tests and giving feedback. What Uber and Airbnb was for their industry, this kind of initiatives we are looking for. To bring more value to our customer, to the healthcare providers, to the physicians, as well as to the patients. That are the ideas, that disruptive ideas, that's what we are looking for, and we are ready to implement them. This risk is not new for a pharma company. We are used to work with data, we are used to work on a high security level with data, and so here in our DNA we know how to handle that risk. That is the big advantage we here at Boehringer Ingelheim, a pharma company, has. We know exactly how to handle that. We are aware of the risk, but we see more the opportunity how we can create value out of that data. So we are fully compliant, however, we are looking for new ways of using the data and creating the value we want to create. We are measuring on different time horizons. Short term, we want to deliver the first successful initiatives 2017 and then 2018. Long term, I would consider our transformation, our digital transformation is successful if the patient is getting the value out of our digital products.